are one of the world's healthiest and most nutritious food. Having oats daily has many benefits for weight loss and for optimal health. But how many of us actually like the taste of oats? If you don't like, maybe it's because you're making the oatmeal wrong. So here I am trying to share the easiest and the most delicious oatmeal recipe that everyone would love through High Kitchen. Towards the end of the recipe, I will also explain how, when, and in what quantity to have this delicious oatmeal to help you lose up to 2 kg per week. Into a pan, add 5 tablespoons of oats, 3 chopped almonds, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed powder. Flax seeds do not need any further explanation these days as everybody is aware about this superfood. But for those who don't know, flax is one of the richest source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. It can be eaten as whole or powdered. The powdered version is the best as our body is able to absorb it more, hence more beneficial for our body. Simply dry roast the flax seeds. Once cooled, using a blender, grind it well. Store it in an airtight glass container inside the refrigerator for a longer shelf life. Flax seeds help lower cholesterol. It may help in weight loss. It may help in preventing cancer. Also, it helps in decreasing menopausal and hormonal imbalance symptoms. You may now add 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, 3 prunes, which is nothing but dried plums. You may chop them into small pieces and it simply makes the oatmeal taste extremely delicious. Prunes is a powerhouse of antioxidants, helps keeping our heart healthy, promotes hair growth, great for skin and also helps preventing constipation. My twin babies, they suffered from severe constipation. I think from about 9 months it was a major issue for them, and none of the medicines worked for them. And I added prunes in their diet in the form of oatmeal, etc., and henceforth they never had constipation again. So I would highly recommend prunes even for your little ones. Now you may add half a glass of milk and 1 glass of water. Let's keep on stirring until the oats is well cooked over a medium flame. I always prefer using quick cooking oats like Quaker oats, Captain oats, etc., which cooks in about 5 to 6 minutes or a little longer. You can also use other variants like old fashioned rolled oats, steel cut oats, etc., but the cooking time will be little more. So now it's becoming thick. For my taste, this is the perfect consistency and I don't want it more loose. But if you wanted a little more thinner version, instead of adding just 1 cup of water, you may add 1.5 cups of water. So that will be like half glass of milk and 1.5 glass of water. So now we have added just 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, which is quite negligible. So now let's sweeten it by adding some honey. Add your favorite fruits like apples, strawberries, bananas, etc., and garnish with chopped almonds. Sprinkle some cinnamon powder if you like. Replacing your dinner with this oatmeal recipe combined with the 20-minute mild exercise and a healthy diet, including home cooked meals by avoiding rice and restricting to just 1 chapati per day, with more vegetables and grilled meat or fish, you are bound to lose at least 2 kg per week. Also, don't forget to keep yourself hydrated with plenty of water. So do try this superfood oatmeal recipe and let me know how it came out for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red color subscribe button below the video to see many more such awesome healthy recipes and also many other different variety of recipes. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that every single time I upload a new video you will get notified. And also, if you think this video was great, please don't forget to hit the like button and also share the video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.